Diksha and I'll be solving the 6 questions for the MAT 104 NSET examination.
So in this question we have to find the motion of the mass spring system, and the given equation to us is y double dash plus 25y is equal to 24 sine t, with initial conditions is y0 is equals to 1 and y differentiation at 0 is also 1. So the transient motion equation for mass spring system is nothing but y t is equals to y h t and y p t. So first we will find y h t, which is by the characteristic equation of the system, which is lambda square plus 25 is equal to 0. So now we will find complex conjugate roots of this equation, which is nothing but lambda square minus 5i whole square is equals to 0, lambda plus 5i and lambda minus 5i, which is equal to 0. So lambda 1 is equals to 5 and lambda 2 is equals to 5i minus 5i and plus 5i. So a plus ib is equal to 5i, a minus ib is equal to minus 5i, a 0 and b is equal to 5. Okay, now we will find the basic solution, which is by y1 t is equals to e ax cos bx, so which is e ki power 0 cos 5x t, because here we've taken in terms of t. Then y2 at t is equals to e at sin bt is equals to e0 and sin 5t. Now the general solution y h t is nothing but c1 y1 plus c2 y2. So c1 cos 5t plus c2 sin 5t. Now for the steady state, we have to find yp, which is nothing and given by the basic rule, which is a cos t plus b sin t. Now we will be calculating y dash p and y double dash p. So y dash p is equal to minus a sin t plus b cos t, and double dash p will be nothing but differentiation of this equation, which is minus a cos t minus b sin t. Now we will be putting up the value of y double dash p and y p in the equation that we have already been given in the question, which is this. So it comes out to be minus a cos t minus b sin t plus 25 by p is a cos t plus b sin t, which is equal to 24 sin t. So 24 sin t, this is the 24 a cos t plus 24 sin b sin t is equal to 24 sin t, which is a cos t plus b sin t is equal to sin t. Okay, so now we will be equating the coefficients. Since there is no cos t term in the right hand side, so a will be is equal to 0 and b, there is this coefficient is equal to 1. So a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 1. So the equation for the steady state motion comes out to be a is 0, so 0 cos t plus b is 1, so 1 sin t, which is nothing but sin t. So the steady state equation comes out to be this. So since the basic transient motion equation was yht plus ypt, so yh was c1 cos 5t plus c2 sin 5t plus sin t. This is a steady motion equation which is already found. So all we need to do now is find the value of c1 and c2. Finding the value of c1 and c2 will be done by finding values of the equation at y0 and differentiation of that value. Since this value was already given in the question is 1 and 1, so on differentiating y by x, we get, with respect to x, we get minus 5c1 sin 5t plus 5c2 and cos 5t plus cos t. Since the yt equation was already known, which is c1 cos 5t plus c2 sin 5t plus sin t. So all we have done is differentiated this equation with respect to t. So now we will be substituting values of t as 0 in the first equation, this equation. So this comes out to be c1 cos 0 plus c2 sin 0 plus sin 0, which is nothing but c1 cos 0 is 1 and everything else is 0, and y0 was value given already as 1. So c1 is equal to 1. Now y differentiated at value of 0 will be minus 5 c1 sin 0 plus 5 c2 cos 0 plus cos 0, which is nothing but 5 c2 plus 1, because c cos 0 is 1 and this value was also given as 1, so this and this gets cancelled, c2 is nothing but 0. So now we will be putting up this value in the y value, which was this c1 cos 5t plus c2 sin 5t plus sin t. So it comes out to be c1 value is given as 1, so it is 1 cos 5t plus 0 sin 5t, and the steady equation was sin t. So the answer is cos 5t plus sin t. So this is the equation, this is the yh part and this is the part of the steady equation. And we were asked to solve the graph for this equation. So here we see for the steady state cos 5t, it starts from 1 and its maximum value goes up to 2, and for the sin t, the steady part, the graph will be like a simple sin t equation, like this. It will be a simple sin t graph, and for the above part it is like this.